Hey everybody, we're here at Bobby's Hobbies, and we're back trying to fix this thing. And I'm gonna try to show you. Hopefully, these are in focus. These are the drive axles. Okay, now if you notice, they're a little rusty, but I don't care right now. This has I found out what this is called. It's actually called the horned ball. Don't go crazy with that, but that's what it is, and it goes into the socket. Here's another horn ball. This one has one, but it's missing the second one. Well, in my parts boxes, I found this, which was an assortment. And look at that. Horned balls still on the sprue. This is from Northwest Short Line. I don't have any endorsement or anything, but I'm just telling you where I got them ages ago. I assume they still make it. Now, I'm going to take this off because I'm trying to get at a direct access to the sockets where this goes to make sure that it fits in. Because if it's at the wrong length where the socket ball goes, that's what I call it, the socket ball. We're gonna have problems, and it's not gonna really work. Now, where did I get that name from? The hornball, Northwest Short Line. Whether they invented, I think it's in a car too, so I don't think they actually invented it. But of course, that little screw there doesn't want to come out. I wonder if it's really stuck. Oh, it's not even stuck. Oh, look at that. All right. Can you see that? Not really. There it is. So it's cleaned out. The question is, can we get this to go in here? I think I'm going to use this plier. See, it barely fits in, which is good. It kind of locks, but this would have to be, these are in the wrong spots. Uh-oh. I didn't listen to my own advice because I should have all my tools here. But what I'm thinking is I need to clip off this horn ball. Hopefully I have a cutter. This is not a cutter. This is not a, oh, here's a cutter. A cutting plier. And you want to cut it, but you don't want it to go flying. I could do it with a, I could do it with an X-Acto, but my concern about that is it'll really go flying. Can't get at it. Maybe I'll have to use the X-Acto. We need a base. Ah, voila. The horned ball. Now this is a little bit wide on this side, but now I think I won't have a problem cutting that little tip off. Okay, That's good. This got to go on here. Wow, now this one is tight, which is what you want. Wow, I can't really get it on there. Could put it in a vise. There you go. So that one's perfect. This one is loose. So now at least we've got this horn ball, this one, and we've got 4 horn balls. So a little closer, but I got to go get the cyano acrylic. I've also got to find these side frames. Something that'll pass for a side frame that I can glue on, because otherwise these weird contact shoes will come off like this one did. So I need it to be glued on so it'll be on there like that. I don't really care if they don't match too much as long as they do the job. All right, we're a little step further. Hey, thanks for watching from Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies. And please like and subscribe. And let me see, can I take this out of here?